Okay, this is question 5 of our decimal word problem series, page 20 of our 5B practice book. Let's take a look at this story here. In this story, Sarah mixed some red paint with some white paint, and then after she added some blue paint to the mixture. With the mixture, she poured the paint mixture into 6 containers. How much paint mixture was there in each container? Leave your answer in liters. So I can write down my units reminder. The answer has to be in liters. And with that, you already can see that there might be some steps or conversions that are necessary, especially when you have the red paint in milliliters and the blue paint in liters and decimal. So let's look at this story again. I'm going to draw up a big container where Sarah can mix her paint. In this container, she says that she's got some red paint, this much red paint. And the red paint is given as 2740 milliliters. And she's going to mix in some white paint. This white paint is 10 times as much. So this is white. This white paint is 10 times of red paint. And finally, after she put in the red and white, she has a blue paint to the mixture, which is 30.64 liters. With this mixture, she put them together she pours them again into 6 containers equally. How much paint mixture was there in each container? Okay, so looking at this page here, we can tell the first most important step is to find out what's the total mixture. We have the red already. We need the white. So we can start off with looking at red, and because the question asks for the units to be in liters, I can begin by already converting the smaller unit milliliters to a larger unit liters. When I convert a smaller unit to a larger unit, I'll be dividing. Since 1 liter is 1000 milliliter, I'll be using 2740 divided by 1000. That gives me 2.74 liters of red paint. With the red paint found, I can find the white paint. The white paint is 10 times of the red paint, which means it's 2.74 multiplied by 10. And that means 27.4 liters of white paint. Now I can find the total mixture, the volume of the total mixture of paint, by putting the red paint with the white paint and the blue paint, which means you have 2.74 plus 27.4 plus blue paint's 30.64 liters. An important reminder is the place value here. So I can choose to add them sequentially. Oops, sorry about that. This is not a calculator question, so we need to be careful with our addition. I'm going to add these quantities first. So I leave enough working to make sure I can add this properly. If I have 2.74 plus 27.4, please be mindful of aligning the decimal place. If necessary, slot into 0. And from there, I can continue to put in the blue. An important reminder is not to combine the workings. Alright, so once you add up that mixture, you have the total amount of liter. From there, you know that this total amount of mixture actually goes in equally into 6 containers. So this total mixture equals to 6 containers. With that, I actually can move on to find out what is the amount of mixture in one container by using this quantity here to divide by 6. Make sure you have enough space for the division and align the decimal place. And then after that, you'll get your solution in liters.